Hey everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we're going through how to set up names in your contact center. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we'll just open up Agrimaster. And then from the home screen, we'll go into Setup and Tools, Catchbook Setup, and then Names. So this is your contact center. And from here, you can add the name of any contacts you deal with, whether they be suppliers, buyers, employees, or anyone else. So you can enter as much details as you like on the right hand side. For myself, I'm just going to enter my friend's name. So I'm just going to put Jamie. And that's the only information I'm going to put in. But for you, if you know any more information, you can just put as much as you like. The next thing I want to talk about is the terms of trade. So if you're dealing with a buyer, this is the amount of days you usually give them to pay an invoice. So I'll just say for my purpose, Jamie, I give him 30 days to pay invoices. If you are dealing with a supplier, it's important to put the ABN in this box. This is just going to help with your withholding tax. And then underneath this, we've got the group. So you can add each contact you've got to a group listed here. And this will just help with reporting. So Jamie, as I said, is just a friend. So I'll put him under the friend group. And once you put all the relevant information here, you just green tick. And that's the contacts entered. The next screen we've got is the EFT details screen. So if I usually pay a contact with EFTs here, for example, an employee, then I can enter their BSB and account number here. Also the lodgement reference, instead of it coming up as paid by me, I can just put it made by the company. So if I were to pay Jamie, I can change this bit to Agrimaster. So when he sees the payment come through his bank, it comes through as Agrimaster, not myself. And once you're happy with this, you can just exit the screen. So we'll go on to the next one, the printing labels. And it'll ask me to save changes when I do change screen, so I'll just click yes. And with the printing label screen, this is just so you can print off all the contacts you've got as labels for office use. So you'll just check your label size and layout here and make sure that matches what you need. Then you can just click the names you want. I've only got the one, so I'll just select Jamie. I've also got the option down here to allow the auto sizing of fonts. So that will automatically just change your text size to fit the labels. Once you're happy with this, we can click the print button. And there's a few more settings here to do with the border and the page itself that you can change. And once you're happy here, you just click the select printer paper size. Just green tick, print. And so that's a basic overview of setting up your names in the contact center. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.